What's up, guys? It's opening day. It's finally here. All the hard work and preparation is hopefully about to pay off. Should have people showing up soon. They typically start showing up at 10:30 and they'll stay all day. And that's what it's all about. I mean, come out here and enjoy nature, enjoy God's creation and what he's given to us, and just getting out here and decompressing and getting away from the daily stressors in life. I hope the birds cooperate. You know, I can't make them fly where I want them to fly. I wish I could send everybody home with a limit. Unfortunately, it don't work like that. Hopefully everybody will get some shooting in. We'll see. You know, we lost a lot of birds, but we still got a lot of birds. So we'll see how it works out. I'm going to try to bring you some shot cam footage today. It'll be my first time trying to video a hunt. I literally just picked this thing up Wednesday. It came in the mail Wednesday, so bear with me on that. I don't know what I'm doing. I promise if it doesn't turn out great, I'll get better. I'm a fast learner sometimes, so hopefully it'll work out. I'm looking forward to it. Y'all stay tuned. The harvest report from opening day is with 47 guns, we killed around 420 birds, which is not terrible, but it's also not great. It's definitely not what we're used to shooting here. The birds left the field. Really, they left the area for the most part. I mean, people still kill birds, don't get me wrong, but this whole area is not holding a fraction of the birds it was holding just 6 days ago. I don't know why they left. I don't know where they went. There's a lot of food on the ground around us right now. That's complicating things. It's probably got them spread thin. But I still had a good time. I hope everybody else had a good time. A lot of people came off the field with limits, and it was super spotty. It was very weird the way the birds flew this year. Some spots had limits, and then the guy to the left of the guy with limits had no birds. The guy to his right had 4 birds. It was super spotty. Never really seen these birds act the way they did this year, especially on an opener. I don't know why they're acting this way, what made them do it. If I knew what made these birds do what they do, I'd be a rich man. But all in all, opening day was a success. I think everybody had a good time. We had a big meal, fellowship with friends and family before the shoot. And we did kill some birds. Don't get me wrong. 420 birds is still a lot of birds. That's a lot of dead doves. But this is a field that consistently kills 500 to 750 doves every year. So that's what we've gotten used to. A little bit spoiled. So hopefully we can get back on track for the opener next year. And hey, who knows? These birds might come back. They could possibly come back to the field after all the crops that are on the ground right now and around us being harvested by the farmers sprout up and rot and mildew. Maybe they'll come back. I'm holding on to that hope that these birds will be back and we'll hammer on them all year. So look forward to seeing everybody the next hunt, and I hope you guys enjoy the show.